This month's best Amazon kitchen gadgets are finally here, and these 45 picks are actually worth buying. Some are going viral right now, and gadget number 4 is the one everyone's talking about. Toast smarter with the Consciate 2-slice smart toaster. Featuring a touchscreen, 6 browning levels, and functions for reheat, defrost, and cancel, it delivers perfect toast every time. Extra-wide slots, removable crumb tray, auto pop-up, and anti-jam design make it safe and convenient. Sleek stainless steel meets 925W power for fast, flawless results. Enjoy versatile cooking with the Fohere 3-in-1 waffle maker sandwich press. With 1200W power, it easily makes waffles, sandwiches, and paninis. The removable non-stick plates ensure quick cleanup, while 5-gear temperature control gives perfect results every time. With handy indicator lights and a sleek red design, it's your all-in-one kitchen companion. Meet the Our Place Dream Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen essential. This 6-quart ceramic non-stick multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, and keep meals warm with ease. Featuring sleek touchscreen controls and auto steam release, it delivers safe, effortless cooking every time. Stylish, powerful, and perfect for everyday meals. Meet the Afeel Stand Mixer, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With 2 stainless steel bowls, 8.5 QD plus 6 QD, it's perfect for any batch size. This 7-in-1 multifunction mixer handles everything from dough and batter to meat grinding, pasta, and cookies. Powerful, versatile, and sleek in black. Upgrade your kitchen game with Afeel today. Upgrade your bathroom with this LED matte black waterfall faucet. Designed for single-hole sinks, it features a smooth side handle, LED lighting, and a stunning waterfall spout. Includes a metal pop-up drain and 2 water supply lines for easy installation. Sleek, modern, and perfect for any vanity. Keep your fridge neat and efficient with the automatic rolling egg storage organizer. This space-saving holder neatly stores up to 28 eggs and automatically rolls them forward for easy access. Perfect for refrigerators, cabinets, or countertops. Its sleek white design keeps your kitchen organized and hassle-free every day. Organize your spices like a pro with the KitchenArt Select-A-Spice Auto Measure Carousel. This sleek satin finish rack holds multiple spices and dispenses precise measurements with a simple twist. No mess, no guesswork. Save space, stay organized, and elevate your cooking experience effortlessly. Peel smarter with the Joseph Switch 2-in-1 potato peeler. Easily switch between straight and julienne stainless steel blades for perfect prep every time. Compact, efficient, and dishwasher safe. Your quick kitchen essential. Make perfect crepes anytime with the Moss Stone Electric Crepe Maker. This compact 8-inch non-stick pan delivers even heating for smooth, delicious results every time. Just dip, cook, and flip with ease. No mess, no stress. With automatic temperature control and auto shutoff, it's safe, simple, and perfect for quick breakfasts or sweet treats at home. Experience clean, effortless slicing with this foldable manual bread slicer, designed for homemade and sourdough loaves. Featuring dual German RSG blades, it delivers precise, even cuts every time. The adjustable thickness scale lets you customize each slice, while the hand crank system ensures smooth, controlled operation. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and a beautiful acacia wood base, it folds compactly for easy storage, perfect for fresh bread done right. Keep your food perfectly warm with the Feppo electric warming tray. This 4-in-1 buffet solution features a 33 by 15 glass surface, 10 temperature settings, and a timer for precise control. Ideal for parties, catering, or family gatherings, it ensures every dish stays hot and ready to serve. Stylish, modular, and hassle-free. Quickly wash and dry your greens with the Desire Path Salad Spinner. Its large, BPA-free design easily handles lettuce, fruits, and vegetables, while the efficient squeezer and quick-dry system removes water fast. Perfect for salads, dumpling fillings, or any fresh produce, it's a must-have kitchen strainer for effortless prep. Keep your kitchen organized with the Daily Ritmo white countertop silverware holder. Its sleek design stores forks, knives, spoons, and utensils neatly, keeping them within easy reach. Durable, stylish, and perfect for any countertop, it makes kitchen cleanup and organization simple and effortless. Keep your kitchen clean and eco-friendly with the Joseph Totem Compact 40L Waste Bin. This smart recycling solution features separate compartments for trash and recyclables, a removable food waste caddy, and an odor filter to keep smells contained. Stylish stone finish and space-saving design make sorting waste effortless and hygienic. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Keep your spices neat and accessible with this multifunctional kitchen spice rack. Featuring a double-layer, 4-grid design with included spoons, it organizes your condiments perfectly on cabinets, walls, or countertops. Punch-free installation and sleek gray finish make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Make fresh juice effortlessly with the Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer. With just one button, it quickly squeezes oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. Easy to use, easy to clean, and designed in sleek black and stainless steel, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for fresh, healthy juice every day. Make fun, mess-free sandwiches in seconds with the Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. This 3.7-inch circle cutter and sealer easily creates perfect sandwich pockets for kids' breakfasts and lunchboxes. Just fill, press, and seal for delicious homemade snacks. Its compact light blue design is easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for busy mornings. Brew the perfect cup with the Vinci Micro Cafe, the smallest single-serve coffee brewer. Compatible with K-cups, pods, and ground coffee, it uses enclosed circle flow brewing for hotter, richer flavor. Easily brew 4 ounces to 20 ounces of your favorite coffee in sleek black. Compact, convenient, and full of flavor. Make delicious pizzas anywhere with the Flame King Tanner 12-inch portable propane pizza oven. Designed for camping, backyard, and tailgating, it features multiple air vents, piezo auto ignition, and a non-stick pizza stone for perfectly crispy pizzas every time. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the 2-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last, this smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist. Serve snacks in style with this chip and dip serving set. Made from durable melamine, the divided tray keeps chips, dips, and appetizers organized and easy to access. Perfect for parties, game nights, or casual gatherings, it's both practical and elegant for any occasion. Elevate your roasting with the Hex-clad hybrid non-stick roasting pan. Dishwasher-friendly and oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers even cooking every time. Comes with a handy rack and works on all cooktops, making it perfect for juicy roasts, vegetables, and more. Durable, versatile, and effortless to clean, roasting has never been easier. Maximize your sink space with the 1/9 magnetic drainage filter basket. This punch-free, triangular strainer easily attaches with strong magnets and keeps your corner tidy. The twist-open bottom makes cleaning effortless, while the durable design handles scraps, food, and debris. Comes as a 2-pack, smart, space-saving, and hassle-free. Cook fast and efficiently with the AMSCHEF Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving crispy, juicy results every time. Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver evenly cooked dishes with perfect texture in every bite. The basket and crisper tray feature a premium ceramic coating that is non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant to improve your cooking experience. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking and save time to deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy days. Wash, drain, and store fresh fruits with ease using this upgraded fruit washing bowl with strainer. Made from BPA-free materials, it features a built-in drain basket, lid with ice compartment, and a foldable handle for easy carrying. Perfect for berries, fridge storage, picnics, and outdoor trips. Easily bake fresh bread at home with the 5.2 QD electric dough maker. Featuring a ferment function, weighting system, and intuitive face-up touch panel, it ensures perfect dough every time. Made with durable 304 stainless steel, this dough maker is ideal for bread, pizza, and pastry enthusiasts. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack pizza plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Enjoy perfect tea time with the Belanco 2.5L whistling tea kettle. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features a loud whistle to alert you when water boils and a stylish wood pattern folding handle for safe, easy pouring. Elegant, durable, and perfect for tea, coffee, or milk. Chop ingredients quickly and effortlessly with the Pampered Chef food chopper. Perfect for vegetables, onions, garlic, fruits, and nuts, this handy manual chopper saves time in the kitchen. Compact, easy to use, and dishwasher safe, it delivers fast, even chopping with simple press-down action, making meal prep cleaner and more convenient. Take your cocktails to the next level with the Cocktail Bubble Smoke Gun Kit, Aroma Blaster 2. Featuring 5 flavor aroma pods and edible bubbles, it creates a stunning visual and aromatic experience for drinks. Perfect for bars, parties, or home use, and an ideal gift for any cocktail lover. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with the Onco airtight food storage containers. Each 4L container features a pop-up lid and 130 milliliters scoop for easy access. Perfect for cereal, rice, pasta, flour, or snacks, they're stackable, durable, and BPA-free, making your kitchen tidy, convenient, and safe every day. Cook with confidence using this 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel stock pot. Made with durable 1810 whole-clad stainless steel, it delivers even heat for perfect soups, pasta, and stews. Induction-ready, oven-safe, and dishwasher-safe, built for every modern kitchen. Meet the Chef IQ Mini Oven, your all-in-one smart cooking solution. This 11-in-1 countertop oven lets you bake, broil, air fry, dehydrate, and more with powerful 1750W performance. Its spacious 25-quart capacity handles family meals with ease, while fast convection cooking saves you time. The sleek touchscreen controls make every dish simple and precise. Cook smarter, faster, and better, all in one compact appliance. Make perfectly cooked rice and more with the Toshiba 5.5-cup rice cooker steamer. With simple one-touch operation and automatic keep warm function, it delivers fluffy rice every time. The removable non-stick inner pot and inner lid make cleaning easy, while the included steaming basket lets you prepare soups, stews, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly. Stylish in silvery white, it's a reliable essential for any kitchen. Make produce cleaning faster and easier with the EKZ Sonic Fruit Vegetable Cleaning Brush. Delivering up to 8,000 vibrations per minute, it efficiently removes dirt with food-grade bristles that are safe for your fruits and veggies. USB-C rechargeable, waterproof, and featuring 3 cleaning modes, it's a smart upgrade for every kitchen. Cook like a pro with the Viking non-stick double burner griddle. Measuring 19 by 11 inches, this hard anodized grill pan delivers even heat and non-stick performance. With sturdy handles, it's oven-safe and works on gas, ceramic, or electric stovetops. Perfect for pancakes, grilled sandwiches, and more. Easy cooking, effortless cleanup. Upgrade your space in seconds with this pull-out spice rack organizer. This 2-pack metal shelf slides out smoothly, giving you instant access to all your spices. No more digging through cabinets. With a sleek 2-tier vertical design, it saves space and keeps everything neatly organized. No drilling, no assembly, just place it and use it. Perfect for kitchens or bathrooms, it's the smart, hassle-free storage solution you've been looking for. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Kulialai Mini Fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. Serve your dishes in style with this 4-pack chafing dish buffet set. Each 6-cutie stainless steel round dish features a visible glass cover to keep food warm and presentable. Perfect for parties, weddings, Christmas gatherings, and catering events, these buffet servers make entertaining effortless and elegant every time. Enjoy mess-free snacking with the Leuven 34-ounce pickle jar with strainer flip. Its clever hourglass design separates pickles from brine. Just flip to drain and flip back to store. Made from durable glass with a leak-proof, airtight lid, it keeps olives, jalapenos, and sliced pickles fresh. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's smart storage made simple. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bear food processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with this rice airtight storage container. Designed to hold 3 to 5 pounds of rice, cereal, or dry foods, it features an airtight seal to lock in freshness and a built-in measuring cup for easy pouring. Made from BPA-free clear plastic, it's perfect for storing sugar, flour, or even pet food with convenience and style. Cook healthy, flavorful meals with the Cuisinart Cook Fresh digital glass food steamer. This 5-liter steamer features 5 pre-programmed settings for vegetables, seafood, and more, plus a convenient keep warm function and audible alerts. The dishwasher-safe glass pot makes cleanup easy, making it a smart, modern addition to any kitchen. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere.